Oh my goodness. They were not kidding about this 12-foot climb right here. The Mastodon Mountains, and we are backpacking Duncan Knob and Strickler Knob. So we're at the pace where last time for Candy Peak at the Mastodon Trail area. So we're gonna be heading down that way toward the trail, and then we're gonna be heading south. We're backpacking about 3 miles today. We're gonna be camping 2 nights, so tonight and then tomorrow night. And then tomorrow I'll be hiking up to Strickler Knob, which have like really awesome views. So yeah. Alright, 3 miles to our campsite.
We're looking for a
Gap through trail, yeah. Alright, let's go. This is creek. Duncan Hollow, and over there to the right is Catback Mountain. And as we're hiking along, the ridge gains in elevation, and that basically at the top of Catback Mountain is Duncan Knob. It's a pretty flat, easy trail, you know, nothing too strenuous, just slightly uphill. We're about a mile and a half in, so halfway there to our campsite. Because there's a forest fire about 9 years ago, and obviously you can see that. Alright, so we're at the campsite. That's a really big campsite down there. Wow. Yep, this is it. Alright. Wow, plenty of camping space. What? Oh my god, look at those stone seats. That's cool. Oh, someone left a grate. Yeah. This is nice. And right by the creek too. This is perfect. Alright, so it's dark right now. We're preparing dinner. We took like 30 minutes to have the bear bag because kept missing throwing it over. We had a quick rain shower. Still kind of clear. Still more driving from the trees. So drinking beef stroganoff. Best meal ever. Which is whippoorwillow. Whippoorwill. Like this right here. Oh, we just stopped. Thankfully, we're camping by the creek, so it won't be too bad. It was kind of drowned out. Bear bag is probably like over there. Can't really see it too well. Okay, you can shut up now. It's nocturnal. It doesn't go to sleep. If you have these on a campfire or anything, you're in trouble. I hate you, bird. Please go away.
That's not my favorite bird.
Yep, there we go. Yay, we did it. Alright. We want the cup.
The lid for the pot.
The lid for the pot? Oh, I see it. Whoa. Alright, here we go. Whoa.
These rocks are very nice.
Yeah, I love these cups. These are really cool.
We won't turn it off. Alright.
Be careful.
Yeah. Watch, I need a light this way.
Oh.
Yeah, okay. Turn this way a little more. Yeah.
Oh.
Okay.
Got it?
Yeah, I think so.
Alright, cool. Good morning, guys. It is 7:33 in the morning, and today is day 2. That's Saturday, the 12th of May. And so, we're going to get up, and we're going to get going pretty soon. We're going to have some breakfast. Take our bear bag, which is over there. Didn't look at any bears. Table hit last night. I slept pretty good. So today we're hiking maybe like 7 to 8 miles, hiking up to Strickler Knob. Yeah. Yeah. Oh yeah, it is a little lower than it normally was. When we put up the ooze bag. Yeah, but it isn't too bad. Bag is down, almost. Far enough, yeah. How's this Tengo, I guess?
Right.
How are you? Ah, there we go. Oh, okay. Is 2 liters enough? That's what I had when we were starting out yesterday.
Yeah, we're gonna go on longer.
It's high like 92, I think. Yeah, it's purpose is steripin, just to get all those UV rays, to get all those bacteria out that we didn't get using the filter. Tablets take longer, like 40 minutes. This only takes like a minute and a half, which is really great. It's an overcast day. I think it's supposed to clear out later today. Alright, we're now starting the hike. Here's the Gap Creek Trail junction. So you would take this trail up to Duncan Knob, but we're gonna be coming back that way. I'm basically do like kind of like a loop. Yeah, there's a campsite right here. Yeah, that's the trail you take to Duncan Knob. There's 3 switchbacks.
Okay.
Once we hit the last switchback, the trail's there.
Okay.
But the problem with that is the Strickler Knob is actually not an official trail, so they don't have that.
Right.
On the Mastodon Trail to the top of the Millmonte Ridge, where we'll meet Strickler Knob, the Strickler Knob Trail. And the Strickler Knob Trail is about 3/4 of a mile to get to Strickler Knob itself, so still got a ways to go. The trail is very muddy at times because there was a pretty heavy rain shower. Beyond there, you see those mountains. That's Candy Peak over there, and to the right of that is Little Fodder Mountain or something. It's like a mountain. I forget the name it is. But our last hike here was Candy Peak, which is down there. And we were up there last October, I think, and up on the ridge over there. Chainsaw. Huh. Guess we'll find out when we get up there. About 200 feet more to gain elevation until we get the Strickler Knob. So we're about 2,400 feet right now. So Strickler Knob's like around 2,600. Heard the chainsaw.
Doesn't too bad.
Yeah.
Like carrying a... There we go. Yeah, I'm waiting on a guy behind me.
Oh, okay.
So there's one more person up there doing trail maintenance, not with a weed whacker. So
Yeah, there was a couple of raspberry thorn bushes that were in our way. We kind of like pinched it back.
oh, okay.
So
Yeah.
nothing too bad.
There we go.
Yep.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, this is the only forest I've been to where you start screaming down a downhill, only to find yourself going uphill again.
Yep.
So.
Yep.
Yeah, they say it's Virginia Tech's engineering group that does that, so it makes everything uphill both ways.
Oh wow.
No, anyway, y'all have a good day on the trail.
All right, thank you. I think we're at the top of the ridge. Now, where is the Strickler Knob Trail? That is the question. There it is. Yeah, the pink blazed. This is it. We did it. We finally made the Strickler Knob Trail. It's right here.
The trail is?
Yeah. There's no sign because it's not official trail. So now we're beginning the Strickler Knob Trail. It's about 3/4 to a mile long. Oh, here we go. Already a very rocky trail. It's gonna be a long mile. That's for sure. Lots of rocks. Oh, here's a trail marker. That's a good trail marker. The one on the tree.
Yeah, I saw one more of those.
Oh, okay, I didn't see that.
That's what it
Okay, that's good. Oh, our first rock scramble. Yay! Found a campsite.
The campsites to mark where they are.
Yeah. Wow! This is insane! Wow. You don't want to fall from here. This is a pretty far drop. Oh my goodness. They were not kidding about this 12-foot climb right here. Is there any other way not to climb this? That's ridiculous. Oh gosh, there's a vulture right there. Whoa! I guess vultures tend to land here a lot. I can't use this hiking stick. This is ridiculous. Oh my goodness gracious. I think this might be a better climb up here than here. Unless they can get up this. This is a ridiculous climb. Holy crap. Oh wow, you see the Shenandoah River. Ooh. Oh, the vultures flew off. Wow, that was quite a climb. Huh? Do you want me to? Hold on. Alright, let me know if you need any help.
Yeah.
Because that's a tough climb. Alright. Wow. Oh crap. Oh, we're going down again. Trail, heading down on the Strickler Knob Trail towards Cutler Gap Trail, and after that the Gap Tree Trail, and then we'll be in Peachorchard Gap and then we'll decide if we're gonna go Duncan Knob or not. So we're pretty tired from because that Strickler Knob Trail is brutal. So we'll see. All right, we've made it to the Cutler Gap Trail, Mastodon Trail Junction. 2 miles to Gap Creek Trail. We made it at the Gap Creek Trail. Alright. Nicely done. My guess we go up this way. Right up. And up to P. Georgia Gap. Probably like 300 to 400 feet. I think, oh, I see a rainfly down there. I think someone's staying the night there. Oh, we made it to the P. Georgia Gap. Oh, yeah, that, oh, it's out there too. People have been staying up here. Tough uphill, but we made it. Yay. See Duncan Knob in this distance through the trees a little bit. Yeah. Down Gap Creek Trail to the campsite. The trail is very overgrown. Not many people have used this trail. So there you can see it. There's two ridges, Master and Middle Mountain. Kind of, that's where we were hiking Strickler Knob earlier today. See the two tents down there. Yay, we made it!
Now the question is, how does it taste?
It's good to me.
Good.
It's back.
What's back? Oh.
Ah, joy. Good morning, guys. So it is 7:10 right now, and we had a huge thunderstorm last night, and everything is soaked, including my backpack, even though it's under the vegetable. I also made the mistake of leaving my hat under, so this is like soaked and dirty, so I'm not going to wear it today. Yeah, everything's pretty. We're packing up right now, and we're going to hike out 3 miles today, and then we'll be done for the trip. We're all packed up and we're about ready to head out. This is a really great campsite. I have these stone seats, a nice creek nearby. So, plenty of room for the barebacks and everything. So, it was a great campsite. Finished. We're back at the parking lot. What a weekend. So tiring. Whew. That's gonna be it, so thanks for watching. See you on the trail.